Introducing the MC Fibre Network Kit from ADOT. This suite of Ethernet media converters by ADOT uses fibre optic components to simplify isolation of your hi-fi system. Let's take a look at the three options. The Mc01 Kit. This has a good level of isolation, featuring the media converter, two SFPs supplied as a complete kit with a universal voltage power adapter. The Mc02 Kit. A better level of isolation, featuring the media converter, two SFPs and supplied with a linear power supply to ensure no additional noise is generated. The Mc03 Kit. This is the ultimate solution. This is the same as the Mc02 but supplied with a custom built Plixar low noise power supply with 3-stage noise reduction. This product is designed for use with the Melco S100 or other switches with SFP ports. Behind the zeros and ones, electrical signals are still analog and just as susceptible to influence from noise and interference. Copper wire used for Ethernet cables is effective at conducting data, but is equally effective at conducting all manner of interference as well. By breaking the conducted signal, we remove the interference and isolate the hi-fi system. This is done with fibre optics. Now the data can be communicated to the digital components, but without the risk of introducing any conducted interference and noise. So why choose fibre connectivity kits? Simplify the isolation of high-end audio systems using fibre optic components carefully optimised for hi-fi use. Plug and play with no computer configuration required. System operation is completely unchanged. Suitable for use with all network connected audio. Works with systems whether NAS or streaming based. Analog audio is delicate. Digital audio is just as delicate. The digital data needs to be treated with the utmost respect to achieve the result that today's high-resolution digital music files promise. Now, transform your listening experience today. Now available at Future Shop.